Hello again, everybody. It is Monday, Memorial Day, May 31st, 2021. Happy Memorial Day holiday to everybody in the USA and happy Monday to everyone else around the world. Please stop in at our webpage, Perfect Storm Trading. You can find detailed information at our website about our trading tools and our trading products. So please stop there, check it out. Also, if you would please subscribe to and like our channel on Facebook. Thank you. We appreciate that. Let's move into looking at the trend for the month. Let's pick out the key turning points in June and see what we have coming up here. Here's the Astro Excel calculator. This calculator comes with the book and software package. This calculator will allow you to look at different time frames. Right here I'm showing the whole month of June. This calculator has an input box here in the yellow in column A, row 214. Now when you scroll up, this is at the bottom of the page. When you scroll up, you get the 1 week chart. When you scroll up again, you can dial in and get a 2 hour chart so you can get a really close look at the intraday activity. Then we have a 12-hour chart, another 12-hour chart, 0 to 1300, and then 10 to 2400, and then the full 24-hour day at the top of the chart. Right now I have this chart set up for 6-5. So you can see you get the green line, the blue line, and then the gray line. This is the one top three here, what you use to dial in on the gray line if you're not using this in NinjaTrader. And then this 2 hour chart is always a nice option to really dial in at the short term picture. So if you want to look at kind of like some of these shorter frames during the day, you can get into this 2 hour chart here, and that'll really give you the intraday movement. And a lot of times the price action will track with this gray line, and the market price pattern will look like this. So with this video, let's get to the key points for the month here. Now here's the monthly chart for the month of June. As you can see, upper left, June 2021. Here you can see the time and date. This is plotted hour by hour. Okay, and what you can do, you can just put your cursor over the area that you're interested in, and it'll tell you the date and the time. So this particular low is on 6/1 at 2200. Then we move up to a high on 6/3 at 0 hour, midnight. Now these first points are inside the 10 line, so they're not going to necessarily be as strong as the ones that are extremes outside the 10 lines. So the more important points that we have would be the low coming in on 6/5 at 1500, the high coming in on 6/11 at 0 100. We swing down to 6/15 at 1600, swing back up 6/21 at 1200, swing down to 6/24 at 1500, up to 6/27 at 1700, and that one barely gets outside the 10 line. And then the last couple swings are inside the 10 line here, so they're not necessarily going to be as strong. But when we bottom out on the 29th, we are pretty much moving up then into July 1st here. But what you can do, and what we like to do with this, you can correlate the green line pivot points, these extreme highs and lows. You can utilize that with the blue line, and you can look to find lows for potential swing trades. So in an ideal world, the market makes a low around this area sometime on 6.5, and we get into a long position or a long option position, and we theoretically can hold that to 6.11 and look for an exit point then. And then there we look for an opportunity to get short and run a swing down to 6.15. So that kind of gives you an idea what the intra-week swing trends will be. So the green line will be our primary indication for where these pivot points may come, and then we use the other tools in the perfect storm material to narrow down and isolate the exact trading time where we want to initiate a trade. So that's what we got going for today. That gives you the roadmap, dates and times for the month. And then with that, you use the green line, you dial that in with the blue line, and then you can use the gray line, and you can use the rainbow, the pH, the Cosmodyne tools to help you lock in the rest of it. The Vedic trend will help you pinpoint that as well. Look for the Vedic trend high and low timing windows to overlap and sync in these time periods, and that's going to get you a really good entry and position for these trades. That's it for tomorrow. For today, we'll be back again tomorrow with another video. We will see you then.